What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be making some Jamaican brown stewed chicken for you. I've got all my ingredients laid out. I've got a half a chicken that I'm about to chop up real small. Got some garlic, a carrot, Irish potatoes, some cherry tomatoes, bell pepper, scallion. I got a little piece of white onion right here, some thyme. I don't have any hot pepper, so I've got some Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. It's really spicy. Got my browning, and I've got my mixture that I made with all sorts of seasonings, my special mix. So if this is something you're interested in, stay tuned guys, stay tuned. Okay, so it's finished chopped up. I like my stewed chicken, brown stew, because stewed chicken is when you just throw everything in the pot. Brown stew is, you're gonna see guys, it's the difference. Brown stewed chicken is different from stewed chicken. This is all the fat and the skin. I take all of that off and I'm gonna get it washed right now. Okay, so gonna squeeze some lemon on it. Gotta wash it. Yes guys, to get the excess rawness out. This is what it's looking like freshly washed. I'm gonna start seasoning. That's the Scotch bonnet sauce guys. Yep. So I went ahead and chopped up all the seasoning. I left the garlic because I like to grate the garlic so it gets into the meat. Got the little bit of onion, bell peppers, the whole works. And I'm gonna add it to this right now. That's the grated garlic. Gonna rub it in, rub it in. Added everything else. Now I'm gonna add the browning. That looks good and smells so good already guys. The garlic is just going up into my nostrils with the thyme, and the Scotch bonnet pepper sauce is really banging. I'm gonna add my browning. Okay, this is it. You don't want to put too much browning because you don't want it to be bitter. This is what it's looking like guys. You see everything up in there, the thyme, the tomatoes, the potato, carrots, bell pepper, green onion, everything. And I'm about to put this in the refrigerator for a little bit, let it soak up all this goodness, and I'll be back when it's time for cooking. So after about an hour of marinating, it's ready for frying. I've got my pot over here getting hot. I'm gonna add a little oil, but I'm gonna separate all the seasoning, take all the chicken out, because hence the name brown stewed. I'm gonna brown the chicken a little bit before adding the vegetables. So you see it's separated. Got the seasoning and carrots and potatoes over here, and my pot with just a little drip of oil. I'm not big on cooking oil. I prefer to use my air fryer, so when I do use the stove top, it's just a drip of oil. Pot is hot and ready for these bad boys. A little bit. Let it brown a little bit before I cover the pot. I'm gonna add a little water to this right now guys. So let's see what's going on over here. Ooh. So I'm gonna add a little bit of water, just a little. I added a little water and I poured some into this, just a little bit. I'm gonna cover it, let it do its thing for another couple of minutes before I add all of this good stuff. I added the vegetables and I'm gonna let it do its thing. I'm gonna turn it down and let it cook, guys. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more browning and some seasoning, and I'm gonna cover this and let it do its thing. I'll be back with the finished product, or close to the finished product, where I'm gonna add my ketchup and a little bit of something. This is what it's looking like so far, guys. Ooh. I'm gonna add some ketchup. Look at that. Almost ready. So this is the finished product, guys. I'm about to plate. Let me turn this off. Let's see. Yummy. Yummy brown stewed chicken. Gravy is not runny. It's nice and thick. It's ready to be consumed. Let me plate and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Yummy brown stewed chicken. I paired it with some dumpling, Irish potato, and some avocado. You could pair it with whatever you like. Look at that, guys. Look at that goodness. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, see you in the next video.